PlayStation is preparing to lock its social features behind a new requirement of verifying age for all players. Hey GadInsiders, welcome to your tech and gaming hub. Sony Interactive Entertainment has begun notifying users that age verification will soon be mandatory for accessing PlayStation communication features, including messages and voice chat. The move is part of a broader push to create safe, age-appropriate experiences, while giving players and parents greater control over their online interactions. The rollout is expected to apply globally, though no exact start date has been confirmed. Importantly, the change won't impact access to core PlayStation services. Players who choose not to verify their age will still be able to play games, earn trophies, and access the PlayStation Store. However, communication features, which are a core part of the modern multiplayer experience and likely regularly used by anyone who participates in multiplayer games, will be restricted until the verification check is complete. PlayStation isn't the only platform doing this. Platforms like Discord and Roblox have also introduced stricter age verification systems in response to growing concerns around online safety and regulatory pressure. In the case of Roblox, concerns have almost reached a boiling point in regard to safety on its platform after numerous links to it being used for child grooming. While Sony calls this change as a safety-first initiative, it also reflects industry's shift towards compliance with global regulations around digital communication and child protection. As these systems become more common, it's only a matter of time these requirements make their way to other popular platforms as well. For more updates, subscribe to GadInsider, like and share the video, and don't forget to press the bell icon so you never miss any update.